starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time all I know.
crawling in my skin.
A valuable thing, watch it fly by as the pendulum swings.
In these moves they will not
You count down to the end of the day, the clock takes life away. It's so unreal.
Fear is out. I'm tired of being what you want me to be.
Unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window.
Now I fall, confusing. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface.
The window, trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all.
Losing what is real. Don't know what you're expecting of me.
Did it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside it.
But under the pressure of walking in your shoes,
I didn't even know I tried. It all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be. Eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard.
there's something inside me that pulls beneath the surface. Every step that